Hello beautiful friends, welcome back guys. The garden, as I have in this place right here, there's a big tree guys, fall over to them. But you know what, it's bad, but at the same time it became a good thing too. I just create another section for all of my hydrangeas guys. I love this place so much, I don't even want to go home. It is so beautiful. I grow hydrangeas all the way over there. Of course, there's a lot of junk there, but the flowers are happy. I like it so much. Seriously, I don't even want to go home. Look at this, and they have a lot of shade there. That means they're going to be really happy. They're going to be really happy. That's the update of my garden, guys. I have the bigger tree, guys. There's some big trees. Let me see. The trees are really big, but they falling over. The biggest one falling over there. Let me see. It is pretty bad. All the way over there, I got big plants here. Look at this. This is my life, guys. This is what I have to deal with. I have to cut all of those big branch and for me to pull out all the fruit trees. It is not an easy job, but I did a lot of it today. I've been working since 8, now I think it's 4. It's a lot, but you know what? I am so proud of myself. I want to say thank you to my mom for being there for me, and also my friend. Oh my God, he was right there to helping us too. I am so blessed to have all those good people in my corner. All right, guys, I'm going home now. It's time to go home, and yes.